In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your passport photo size in Photoshop. So for your passport, there's a bit of a range from about 350 to 1,000 pixels for your size of your photo. So what you're going to want to do, just to set this up correctly and to do it right, is to basically go to File and create a new Photoshop document. And what you can do in the settings here, you have pixels, you have inches. So pixels, the average size would be 600 pixels by 600 pixels. And then make sure your orientation is in the right orientation, and you would just hit create. And that way you have your correct photo size. Now if we were to open up, if we were to import an image of, of, of a profile picture, you would just size this correctly, and that should be fine for your passport ID photo. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy tips in your Photoshop files. Hope it helps.